Hello again, everybody. This is the last part, but for some weird reason, when I did the recording of it, everything that I modeled pretty much got erased. The file all of a sudden said unknown error, and I didn't really save. So initially, what I did just now didn't really save. So what I'm going to do on this one, to save you some time, I'm just going to go over the changes that I've made in this video. Mainly what I did was I cleaned up a whole bunch of the okay, well, I missed it. I missed one. I cleaned up a bunch of the geometry okay, that's a triangle. Okay. Alt J that, turn that into a quad. But yeah, so what I did was I pretty much added the extra creases that you see down here. Added these extra creases. And I mainly just used okay. So that must mean that, yep, I gotta apply my location, rotation, and scale. Thank goodness I didn't use a symmetry modifier, or else it'd start going in multiple directions right now. Oh, and buttons. But yeah, the main thing that I did pretty much on the video that just got corrupted is that I added a whole bunch of other details in here. We want to top view and adjust this. I guess I'm just going to adjust these individually, but that's predominantly what I was doing. It's just making adjustments and clearing up a whole bunch of the polygons that weren't connecting. Like right now what I'm doing, some of these vertices aren't connecting the right way, and we got like ngons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like right here, which I'm gonna fix that. I'm not sure if I turned in. Okay, that's a quad. But yeah, just fixing a whole bunch of these and adding in more detail and connecting away with the J key. That looked a little bit weird. Alright, yeah. What? May have to remove doubles. Yep. I'm not sure why it's it's snaking around there like it's doing. Sometimes I'll say the connect key, the connect command can be a pain and give you some weird flow like it's doing right about now. So initially, to remedy that, you just manually add in your cuts with the knife tool and problem solved. And pretty much with these creases over here, if that's even considered a crease. Oh yeah. I didn't even do that one, I think. This is just added detail, just add extra edges. But for these creases, just bevel and just scale them in, and then I would use my sculpt brush, my inflate brush, and then just pinch it a bit more precise together. And if I can select this whole loop, I'm going to bevel it. And also, when I finish adjusting this, I'm going to explain a little bit on what I did with the legs. So we're just going to go into sculpt mode, and we're going to increase our subdivision to about 3, and then we're going to enable wire, and pretty much with inflate. Hopefully if it works. Or our grab brush. I guess we can add some asymmetric detail to it. Which I'm going to take off the mirror modifier to achieve that. Alright, and initially just keep going over certain parts of the chair that really need it. This top part. Hit it with a little bit of a smooth. And then I'm going to scale it. I'm going to smooth this part in because it's looking a bit a little awkward. Scale these in. You know, a little bit of a smooth on certain spots that may have been overstretched, perhaps due to the new amount of geometry that I added with the knife tool and connect. But just highlighting certain areas. Now it's looking a bit like it's scrunched in. I'm going to use my proportional editing, deselect that one version, and then, you know, just make it look a little better with certain parts. Top view looks decent. Back view. Probably just want to pull some of these in. Alright. And I'm just going to add a little bit over here, because it looks a little too flat. And I'm going to do the same thing with back here. Mind you that I don't have symmetry on. Symmetry on. Alright. I would say so far we have all quads. There's really no triangles or messed up geometry, or I think I spoke too soon. Convert this to a quad, and most likely they do it over here. Alt J. Now we can fix this by adding an edge in J, and that fixes the problem. And then we just want to smoothen it out. I would Excellent. So now the last part to really just explain what happened is the legs. Whereas with these legs, I just modeled one. I didn't model all four of them. I used the mirror modifier, and I just used the y-axis as well, and the x. And I put it on top on top of the stack to keep order. And pretty much all I did here, I isolated. I just used the circle, and I just did a whole bunch of extrusions going inward and scaled it out to get this part. And then I used the bevel to bevel some of the edges with Ctrl B to make, to get more sharper detail, just like what I did just now. And then pretty much just continued to just repeated the same process, and then I applied my location, rotation, and scale to the object so that, oh, I didn't. There we go. So that it'll put our origin in the center, and then it'll be easy for our mirror modifier to work. And I'm just going to close this bottom part off with grid fill, a good feature. If I go to the bottom view, I kind of want that to be more edges. So let's say we keep it the way it is, and this increase the numbers. Does it want to let me do it? Alright, that's weird. I want 3, but it's... Alright, that's fine. You have to play around with those settings, from time to time to really get what you want. And so I'm just going to harden up these edges, drag them to the bottom, and pretty much that's all that's needed for our chair. The legs, the buttons, and looks like we can add something here. I know I'm being a little picky with this, so I'm just going to real fast before we call it that. I'm just going to inflate this. Inflate this part of it. Alright, yes. And ladies and gentlemen, that's how you model a chair. Well, whatever this type of chair it is, and plus the legs. Using edit mode and also using a little bit of sculpt mode to, achieve better results that you won't really get with the what's that brush called? The proportional editing. And it makes life very easy. Alright, so definitely hope you enjoyed this video and look forward to the next one. Alright, peace.